may want to change your communications type. Move 5000 makes it easy to switch between mobile, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Press Menu and select Terminal, then Terminal Config. Select Change and choose the communications type you would like to switch to. Your terminal will try to connect automatically. If successful, the icon in the top corner will display the new mode. If not, you can connect manually by taking the following steps. For Bluetooth to work, you need to have an Ethernet cable connecting your base station to the router. Place your terminal on the base station and follow the steps we've just outlined. Menu, Terminal, Terminal Config, Change, and select Bluetooth from the list. Press Enter and select Tone when prompted. When you're asked whether you need a prefix for dialing out or blind dialing, just press No. Ensure the terminal is on the Bluetooth base and select Assign to base. This completes the connection. Just press Cancel to return to the main menu. For mobile, follow the same steps. Menu, Terminal, Terminal Config, Change, and select Mobile from the list. Press Enter. Your device will show the current 2G and 3G network settings. Select Smart, Auto, or Manual mode. Smart will roam to find the best network available. This is the best option to select. Automatic lets your SIM card choose the network for you, whilst Manual lets you pick from a list of available networks. Select the one you want and press Enter. You're connected and ready to go. For Wi-Fi, follow the steps we've just covered. Menu, Terminal, Terminal Config, Change, and select Wi-Fi. Press Enter, followed by Profiles, New Profile, and then Automatic. Your device will show your available options. Select the relevant network, choosing Personal or Enterprise, and enter your Wi-Fi password again, ensuring that the device is connected to a network that is password secured. And that's it. You're ready to accept card payments on the move.